Good evening to everybody, and we will switch over to the typical features of or ideal features of new social movements. Already we covered the exclusive new social movements and inclusive social movements, but this is a standardized features in the new social movement. Here the NSM consists two categories. One is social and space. Second one is civil society. As time goes on, chronologically, some changes had been taken place. Sometimes those changes are eradicate the important features also. So the remaining are relics, those are carrying from one generation to the another generation in the form of tentacles or root causes, and it will enter into the each and every aspect of the human life. And state sometimes overlap on the social when it is going on doing the work, and particularly the expansion of the market. And state main aim is to take care of the public interest, but sometimes it will also involve the private life of an individual, which is not acceptable, but sometimes it is also happening. Next, the state and the market both has given the heavy blow on the face of the civil society. By that, the society appears in the following way: urban activities, ecological activities, anti-authoritarian, anti-institutionalization, feminism, and next anti-rationalism, ethnic group, and regionalism or regionalist. Basically, if you study the NSM, its main aim is to establish its own agenda. What is that agenda? Post-bourgeois, post-industrialization, post-materialism of society in the appeared in a new phenomenon in the modern world. This new social movement is also having the power to alter the Marxist paradigm, which is always explained about the social conflict and the class struggle. This Marxist phenomenon cannot answer for two. One is ecology, second one is related environment. Then for what it is? It is meant for to explain the class struggle or social conflict, disarmament, and anti-rationalist. If you want to know where is the origin of conflicts, for all conflicts, if you study the social conflict, that is the Marxist conflict, we can get the answers. So all social conflicts are occurred under the heading of class struggle, social struggle, or social conflict. Once again, we will review the subject matter. The typical features of NSM. Typical is nothing but the standardized features of new social movement. It has two views. One is social space, second one is civil society. Chronologically or as time going on, some changes had been taken place. This is a natural and universal phenomenon. No one can explain, no one can escape from it. Inevitable. As a result, it is also happening in NSM. It is eroded the social actions. And the remaining, the relics are the features in the form of tentacles at the roots. It is extended, interfered in each and every aspect of the human life or the societal activities. The state sometimes overlap on social when it is busy with the expansion of the market activities. Sometimes the state, basically the state work is to take care of the interest of the public issues. Public interest is important, not the personal interest. But sometimes it is also involved in the private life of an individuals, which is not acceptable, but it is happening here and there. And the state and the market has given the heavy blow on the face of the civil society. As a result, the features are in the following way. One is urban activities. Second one is ecological effect. Third one is anti-authoritarian. Fourth one is anti-institutionalization. Fifth one is feminism. Sixth one is anti-rationalism, racist. And next one is ethnic group, that is cultural group. The last point is regionalism or regionalist. Basically, if you study the NSM, its main agenda is to establish post-bourgeois, post-industrialization, post-materialism of society in a new phenomenon in the modern world. This NSM has the capacity to alter the Marxist paradigm, which is always give the information about the social conflict or the class struggle. And then this Marxism sometimes unable to answer. Example, ecology and environment. If you check at the economic point of view, middle class also he didn't explain Karl Marx. That is another subject we will discuss. And for what it is Marxist philosophy or Marxist phenomenon or Marxist paradigm theory says, it is only for explain the class struggle, social conflicts, for what it is happening, and anti-racialism, racism, and next one is disarmament. These three it will take care of. If you want to see, there are many types of conflicts. No need to search in various places. If you open the key of that social conflict, these are the examples. All social conflicts are under the heading of class struggle and the class conflict and the social conflict. By this, today's lecture is over. Please go through the comprehensive information in the video. Sometimes I may miss it in the shorts. You can cover here also. Okay, this is Bindu taking leave from YouTube platform. Please do like, share, if possible subscribe it, which gives the pleasure to me to continue my action. Good day and good night.